I hate doing this. I absolutely hate it. You can cut this out. Just take it out of there. Hi, I'm Jim. Welcome to the Be Empowered YouTube channel. First off, I'd like to say thank you for taking the time to check out our new channel. By now, I'm sure you may have already seen Daniel's video he posted the other day. This is kind of like the about me a little bit, what I'd like to see us do with the channel. Be Empowered is kind of a play on our names. Plus, it has another meaning of kind of like be empowered, empower yourself to do things. We have some projects planned. I know Daniel has a few. I have some ideas as well that I'd like to bring to the channel, but we were going to do them anyway, and we thought, might as well just make a YouTube channel to show everybody that people like us can do things just as well as some of the bigger YouTube channels can. Oh, I don't know. Cut that out. All right. Some of the things that we're going to bring to the channel is hopefully some car builds, things with vehicles. I'd like to bring in a little, maybe some dabble with electronics and some projects of that nature as well. Maybe in some little mini series once we get going. I have no idea what to say. I really don't. This is worse than going to work for a 12-hour shift. I look like I'm stoned in the picture. Look at my eyes. No, I'm not stoned. Say no to drugs, kids. Anyway, we really appreciate it if you would comment on our videos. Tell us what we're doing wrong, what you would like to see us do correctly, maybe some ideas for some projects. Everybody needs some help from time to time, and I'm sure we could use a lot of it. We're new and we're learning every day. One of the things about the channel that we want is, you know, to help people help us. Don't be afraid to try new things. Of course, we've got a big project that we're going to be working on. We've never done anything like that before. Just stick around for some future videos and you'll see what we're talking about. I know we have a picture, maybe two, up on Instagram, kind of hints of one of our projects. So you need to check us out on Instagram too. Link will be down in the description. We'd really appreciate you if you check those out. You know, a little bit about me. I'm more of an electronics guy. I like to tinker and I love electronic gadgets. I don't really play on the computer a whole lot in my free time, but I like to try new things. You can clip it a little bit there and make it look good, Daniel, because I don't know what I'm doing. Another thing I like to do is I like to go fishing. Yeah, I've been friends with Daniel for about 15 years or more, and we've always went fishing. He was my main fishing buddy, and things like, you know, we wanted to start a YouTube channel a long time ago, and we had just never got around to making an outdoors channel. So you never know, you may see some fishing stuff on this channel too. Everywhere from being on the boat or working on the boat, which is a never-ending chore sometimes there, or even sitting on the lake just catfishing one night. You never know, there might be some clips and some takes of that. Another one of my hobbies is I like arcade machines. I've got a small collection at the house. I like pinball machines. You never know, you may see something pop up in the shop that we're working on in between waiting on parts for other builds and things. Yeah, so please stick with the channel, but at least you kind of know I'm just a down-to-earth type of person. I'm just like the average Joe. I don't really have any automotive technical experience, just learning as I go, and hopefully learning from you guys too as you post in our comments for some help and some feedback. Once again, I'd really like to thank you for joining our channel, and have a great day.